Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. As the outside season slowly transitions, it is important for me to make necessary changes inside our home as well. To mark the arrival of summer, I like to tackle some seasonal chores to get my home and kitchen summer ready. I typically prioritize three areas. First, home maintenance to prepare for the new season. Secondly, creating a seasonal ambience through decor and furnishings. And finally, switching up my usual meal plans to incorporate seasonal ingredients and flavors that match the time of the year. In this video, I will be sharing 15 essential tips that I have learned over time to help you get your home and kitchen ready to welcome summer. If you haven't already seen my 2021 summer homemaking video, I highly recommend checking it out as well. I hope you find both these videos useful. So, let's get started. This time of the year, I like to sun dry the dresses including saris that I wear occasionally, as the heat can effectively eliminate germs, mold and dampness that accumulate on them. This is a year-old tradition in our home. I have seen my ma and aunties to put the saris under the sun. However, it is crucial to avoid placing them directly under the sun, as it can impact the texture and color of the fabric. I usually hang my saris and lay out dresses in our balcony and leave them there for a duration of 2 to 3 hours to get rid of any impurities. One of our beloved summer traditions is storing water in earthen pots or matkas. The porous material, natural insulation and chemical composition of the clay pots provide natural cooling to the water, which is essential for staying hydrated in hot weather. As temperatures rise, local birds may have difficulty finding food and water sources. By providing bird feeders and bowls of fresh water, we can help to support the local sparrow or birds population and ensure their survival during the summer months. Additionally, watching birds in our outdoor spaces can provide a sense of peace and connection with nature. Sudden changes in temperature, excessive heat and direct sunlight can cause plants to dry out and wither, especially if they are not adapted to such conditions. By shifting plants indoor or under shades can help them survive the hot summer weather and thrive. Additionally, plants require regular watering and misting to maintain moisture levels in their environment. Adding misting plants to your daily summer chores can help keep them healthy and happy. I love to celebrate every season with furnishing and decor. I follow a saying when it comes to seasonal home decor, and that is, small changes will make a big difference. The best budget-friendly home decor can be found in your cupboards. I had plans to get these curtains for the summer and I already shared with you in our earlier videos. I also have a few light colored cushion covers that I could use to decorate our home look beautiful for the summer season. While yellow happens to be my personal favorite summer color, I am curious to know what color you prefer during this season. What hue speaks to you the most in the summertime? During the summer, I avoid going out unnecessarily, especially during the hottest parts of the day from 11 am to 4 pm to avoid sunstroke, dehydration and sunburn. I really love to enjoy the summer decor and comfort that my home gives. To enjoy the comfort, I need to take care of few problems, and the biggest one is power cuts. Summer means power cuts and we face a lot of them either at night or during the day. If you face the same problem, consider a power backup system for uninterrupted power supply. Well, Exide Integra, a power backup system, can be your best summer helper at home. Integra is a compact unit with the lithium-ion battery integrated in the system. Let me share the best features of this power backup system. Two models are available. Integra 700, which is 450 watts, can be handy if you face low power cuts, and Integra 1000, which is 720 watts, will be helpful if you face longer power cuts. It is lightweight and can be easily mounted on the wall to free up space, which makes it perfect for every home. It is spill-proof and requires low maintenance, assuring technical hygiene. It has a user-friendly display screen for a better interface where you can keep an eye on the charging. Register the product for paperless warranty on the Exide website after the purchase. I will share all the related details and links in the description box below. Do check out the link for Exide Integra for a better understanding of this futuristic power backup system. I have already washed and stored our blankets in their designated place, which is the loft, and have replaced them with lightweight summer fabrics such as AC blankets and light dohas for our beds. By selecting appropriate fabrics for our bedding and home decor, we can fully enjoy the summer season. I do not make all the seasonal changes at once, preferring to take time. If you are a regular follower of our content, you are aware that how much I love to take a pleasure not only from the getting things done but also from enjoying the process. To enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort level, do consider using double-layered window treatments. Sheer curtains offer privacy while still allowing natural sunlight to filter in, reducing the glare of direct sunlight. Meanwhile, blackout curtains help to keep rooms cooler by blocking out sunlight and heat. And the very important thing to do for home maintenance during summer, which is keep your AC and cooler serviced and checked. Do the seasonal cleaning for your cooler and maintenance for your AC to avoid gas leakage. Neglecting maintenance could cause an increased power consumption. If your appliances are in open space like balcony or utility area, then consider hanging outdoor sun-blocking green curtains like this or regular curtains in your balcony according to your need. It is important to protect the appliances for the heat as a seasonal home maintenance. Making a list of seasonal fruits and vegetables help us plan our meals and ensure that we are consuming a healthy and balanced diet. Summer fruits and vegetables are typically rich in vitamins, fiber, mostly they are high in water content, which are essential for our health and well-being. Buying seasonal produce is often cheaper and more environmentally sustainable as it reduces the need for long distance transportation and storage. I'm sharing a list of vegetables and fruits for you all. Take the screenshot and use as you need it. The more you see the list, the more you will intake the seasonal food without forgetting. The next tip is to create a summer schedule. With kids out of school and vacations planned, it can be easy to lose track of our daily routine. But having a schedule will help you stay on track and make the most of your summer days. Create a schedule that includes time for work, play and relaxation, and don't forget to include time for cleaning and organizing your home. Cooking involves the use of heat, which can make the kitchen area very warm and humid. During the summer months, this can make the kitchen extremely uncomfortable, particularly during the afternoons and evenings when the temperature tends to be at its highest. In contrast, the morning hours offer a cooler and more pleasant environment for cooking and completing kitchen work, making it more comfortable and efficient time to get things done. I really don't want to stand in the kitchen and make exotic meals or thalis in those summer days. So I prefer to cook one-pot meals by using pressure cooker, my electric cooker or my Dutch oven to cook simple and hearty meals in hot summer days, which can be prepared in 15 to 20 minutes. Try this protein-packed soya chunks pulao recipe with thanda curd or raita. I am sure you are going to love it. It took me 30 minutes from prep to cook to clean the kitchen, and I am all done for the lunch. If you haven't yet installed a ceiling fan in your kitchen, now is the ideal time to do so. Alternatively, if your kitchen does not have any provision for a ceiling fan, consider installing a wall fan. To avoid feeling overwhelmed and excessively sweaty while working in the kitchen, I follow a few simple tips. We already have a fan installed in our kitchen, which I can switch on while chopping vegetables or washing utensils to remain cool and composed while completing this task. Transitioning from one season to another is the right time for me to declutter our wardrobe. Mine and Saurav's wardrobe has good numbers of comfortable cotton clothes. Just like the bedding or furnishing, I like to wear only lightweight, soft fabrics allow air to circulate around our bodies, keep us cool and comfortable. So I can see our wardrobes are summer ready. But I needed to buy summer clothes for Pihu. She is getting taller and the dresses from the last summer already are short. I am going to declutter her wardrobe first before buying anything. All these clothes will find a new home soon. This time I want to make sure to buy only those clothes what we need more than what we want. When we consciously embrace and welcome each season, we become more mindful of changes in our environment. I hope you find some forgotten traditions and useful tips in this video. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Home#Life. Don't forget to check out the link for Exide Integra to understand the product in a better way. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.